Hi, in this section we are going to discuss how the logs can captured from Zscaler apps and do the troubleshooting from the logs. Okay, there are various methods to capture the logs. Some logs can be user readable format and which can be read by us itself. Some logs will be the encrypted format which can be read by only by the support team. Let's jump in and see the various steps involved to capture the logs. In the system tray, you could see the Zscaler app. Just right click it and open Zscaler. When you open Zscaler app, there will be in the left hand side, there will be options like internet security, notification, and more. Under internet security, you could see the username and the status, whether it is connected or not connected, whether the user is connected from off trusted network, untrusted, or VPN trusted network. Then you could see the server details, and server detail is nothing but vSAN, whether which established a tunnel from user machines to the ZEN, and the client information when it was connected and tunnel versions, which will be shown only in the latest version like 2.0 and above, and the statistics where you could see the send and receive packets. There is other options called notification, which will give the notification like the application status, when whether it is connected or disconnected. Those information you could see under a notification. There is the last option called more, where you could see troubleshoot options like packet capture, export logs, clear logs, and update app update policy and all. You might see one more option in the left hand side called private access if the customer or company is opted private access services. Okay. First, we could see the export log. When you click export log, a system will ask you to give the path where you need to export the logs. You can choose wherever you want, and when you click OK, the logs will be exported to your local machine. So I was already exported the logs, and you could see the logs already exported in the desktop, and I'm trying to extract this file. Yeah. So it's always best to clear the logs and replicate the issue and export logs. Otherwise, you could see the plenty of logs, the old logs, and which will be more in size, and it will take long time to like, analyze the logs and do the troubleshooting. So it's always recommended to clear the logs before you do the export logs. Okay, there is an option called start package capture. So when you click packet capture, and system will start capturing the log in pcap formats. Let's say an application using by the user is reporting issues where they were not able to access the applications properly. So in that case, you can start packet capture from the Zscaler app and ask the user to replicate the issue. Okay. So once the issue is replicated and you got the error screenshot, you can stop the capture. Otherwise, within 5 minutes, the Zscaler app by default will stop the capturing. Once you stop this capturing, you just go to the my computer. There will be a folder called program data. At the end, there will be another folder called Zscaler where you could see uh, the packet capture informations. Using this packet capture, you can understand from the system what are the URLs are referring and which URL is failed and what would be the reason. So based on that, you can take appropriate actions to block the to allow those applications. Okay. In the ZIA ZSA tunnel and ZSA tray and ZSA auth service, those kind of logs will give you the most granular informations like where the this color app is stuck and what would be the reason to fail. So those informations you can see when user reported I'm not able to connect my ZAPP in user machines. Okay. Yeah, detailed informations will be shown here. You can go through this, which will help you to troubleshoot the issues by your own itself. And if still the issue is persist and you are struggling to understand the issue, then you can raise the case with the support team to for the speedy resolution. Thank you for watching.